To make collage photo frame in Canva, I have put together templates that you can use, so feel free to come into this page. The link will be in the description of this video. The link will say canva.com/p/grow with Rachel, and when you come into this link, you want to scroll down and come into the search bar here where it says all items and search collage. When you search collage, you're going to see various options of collages you can use. So I have this portrait collage, and I have this one here, and I have all this landscape collage, and I also have this one here. So whichever of these templates you like, they are all Canva templates. So let's use this template. We'll select this template and it opens up. You can see it says customize this design because this is a Canva template. You want to click on customize this design. The template is opened in the editor, and you can see this is a 5 collage photo template. So you can see I have options to add 5 images. You want to come to your upload tab here and come over to the upload files here. Let's click on upload file, and you want to bring in your own images. I have my images here. I'm going to pull them up like so. From here, once you have your image uploaded or images uploaded, you want to start to pull it like this to drop it into the template. So if I click on this frame and I come to this sign here that says crop, I can move this image inside the frame. And if I pull this here, I can also do the same. Come to the image and come here and pull up the side, increase it to fill out, and position it how I want it to appear in the frame, and I will click on done. You can change all the photos in your frame. So these pictures I'm using are just for demonstration purposes, and I'm going to add in my next picture. Let me add this one here, and let me add this one here. You see, I've completely changed how this template looks. I've added in my own images, and I'm going to click on any of this image that catches my attention. I'll come to these 3 dots here. I want to apply the colors of this image to the page so that it has the color of the image. So I'll click on apply color. You see that begin to change. You can literally use any of these images to apply its color to your page. So you see the borders of our photo collage frame has formed up. So if you click out, you see it beautifully well formed. And to export your design, we're going to click on share here and come over to download. From the file type here, if you click this drop down, you will see various options of how you can download your collage. And you have JPEG. The file type that is suggested is PNG. Depending on what you're using it for, there's PDF standard. If you're printing it, there's also PDF print. We will leave it on PNG, and I like to take the slider up, and I will uncheck transparent background because I don't want it to have a transparent background, and I will click on download to download my photo collage into my device.